Hi everyone, let's talk about weight loss. We all know the usual suspects, strict diets and endless cardio. But what if I told you there's a more effective, empowering way to shed those extra pounds? A method that not only transforms your body, but also strengthens it from the inside out? We're diving deep into the world of strength training and uncovering its incredible potential for weight loss. Get ready to challenge conventional wisdom and discover a sustainable path to achieving your dream physique. For years, strength training has been relegated to the realm of bodybuilders and athletes. Many believe it leads to bulky muscles rather than a lean, toned physique. But what if this belief is entirely misguided? In this video, we'll shatter those misconceptions and reveal the truth about strength training. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities as we explore how lifting weights can become your secret weapon in the battle against the bulge. Let's talk about muscle. It's not just about looking good in a swimsuit, it's a metabolic powerhouse. Pound for pound, muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. That means the more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate, RMR. And the more calories you burn even when hanging out on a Sunday night, watching movies. It's like having a fat-burning engine running in the background, 24/7. Strength training stimulates muscle growth, leading to a gradual but significant increase in your RMR. This means you'll be torching calories long after your workout is over. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Strength training doesn't just build muscle, it also gives your metabolism a major boost. During your workout, your body works hard to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, a process that requires energy, and you guessed it, burns calories. This phenomenon, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, can last for hours, even days, after your workout. So even when you're relaxing at home, your body is still hard at work, burning fat and sculpting a leaner you. Think of it like this. Strength training ignites a fire within your metabolism, and that fire keeps burning long after you've left the gym. It's a sustainable, effective way to transform your body from the inside out. Let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the bulky bodybuilder in the weight room. Many, especially women, shy away from strength training, fearing they'll transform into muscle-bound giants. But let me assure you, this is a myth. Building significant muscle mass, the kind that makes you bulky, requires intense training regimes and specific dietary strategies. For most people, especially beginners, moderate strength training leads to toned, defined muscles, not excessive bulk. Think of it like this. Strength training helps you sculpt your physique, not inflate it. It's about building strength, power, and endurance, all while achieving that lean, athletic look. For years, cardio has reigned supreme in the weight loss kingdom. While cardio certainly has its benefits, believing it's the only path to weight loss is another myth we need to debunk. Remember the metabolic boost from muscle gain we talked about? Cardio alone simply can't match the long-term calorie-burning power of increased muscle mass. Strength training continues to burn calories long after your workout, thanks to EPOC, while cardio's impact is mostly limited to the workout duration. This isn't to say cardio is the enemy. Incorporating both cardio and strength training into your routine offers the best of both worlds, maximizing calorie burn, improving cardiovascular health, and building a strong, resilient body. Meet Sarah, a self-proclaimed couch potato who thought weight loss meant endless hours on the treadmill and surviving on salad and bean sprouts. She dreaded the gym, intimidated by the weights, and unsure of where to even begin. But Sarah was determined to change. She took a leap of faith, started with light weights, and focused on proper form. Week after week, she felt herself getting stronger. She could lift heavier weights, her energy soared, and to her surprise, the numbers on the scale started to drop. Today, Sarah is a different person. She's not just lost weight, she's gained confidence, strength, and a newfound love for fitness. Strength training wasn't just about changing her body, it was about transforming her life. Let's talk about John's journey for a moment. Reclaiming strength and shedding pounds. John, a retired teacher, always believed weight loss was a young person's game. As he got older, he felt his energy dwindle, his weight creep up, and his confidence slowly fade. One day, John decided enough was enough. He started incorporating bodyweight exercises and resistance bands into his routine. He took it slow, listened to his body, and gradually increased the intensity. The results were astounding. John not only shed those extra pounds, he also regained his vitality and zest for life. Strength training became his fountain of youth, proving that it's never too late to reclaim your health and well-being. How about Maria's victory story? Age is just a number. Maria, a busy mom and career woman, always struggled with her weight. After hitting 50, she felt fighting the battle of the bulge was a lost cause. Her metabolism seemed to have hit the snooze button, and she felt frustrated and defeated. Determined to prove age was just a number, Maria joined a local gym and started a strength training program. She began with light weights, focusing on proper form and gradually increasing the weight as she got stronger. The transformation was remarkable. Maria not only lost weight, but she gained muscle definition, improved her posture, and felt more energized than she had in years. Strength training wasn't just a physical transformation. It was a testament to her resilience and the power of never giving up. Embrace the power of strength training. It's about building a better, healthier you. It's about pushing your limits, both physically and mentally, and discovering the strength you never knew you had. Ready to make strength training your secret weapon for weight loss? It boosts your metabolism, helping you shed those extra pounds while toning your body. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to get started. Your home can be your gym and your body can be your equipment. With just a little space and some creativity, you can create an effective strength training routine. Let's look at some practical ways to integrate strength training into your daily routine. Everyday activities can be turned into strength training exercises. For example, carrying groceries can become a weightlifting session, and climbing stairs can be a great leg workout. Start with bodyweight exercises. Squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are all excellent bodyweight exercises that can be done anywhere, anytime. These exercises use your own body weight to build strength and endurance. Start with a few sets of 10 repetitions, and gradually increase the number of sets and reps as you get stronger. Consistency is key. so make sure to stick to your routine and track your progress. Incorporate resistance bands. Resistance bands are a portable, affordable way to add resistance to your workouts. They are versatile and can be used to target different muscle groups, making your workouts more effective. They come in various strengths, allowing you to gradually challenge yourself as you progress. Start with a lighter band and move to a heavier one as you get stronger. This progression helps in continuously challenging your muscles. Be sure to examine the band before each time it's used. A tiny rip or tear in the material can make for a shocking experience if it happens to snap. Don't be afraid to lift weights. If you have access to dumbbells or a gym, don't shy away from lifting weights. Weight training is an excellent way to build muscle mass, which in turn helps in burning more calories. Start with lighter weights and focus on proper form first. Proper form is crucial to avoid injuries and to ensure that you are working the right muscles. Take your time to learn the correct techniques. As you get stronger, gradually increase the weight you lift. Remember, consistency is key. Keep challenging yourself by increasing the weights and varying your exercises to keep your muscles guessing. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting different muscle groups. This ensures that all parts of your body get the attention they need, leading to balanced strength and muscle development. Combine this with a balanced diet and regular cardio, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals while building a stronger, healthier you. A balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients to fuel your workouts and aid in recovery. Cardio exercises complement strength training by improving cardiovascular health and aiding in weight loss. Nutrition plays a crucial role in strength training. Eating a balanced diet, rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates will help you build muscle and recover faster. Don't forget to stay hydrated and get enough sleep, as these are essential for muscle recovery and overall health. Tracking your progress is important. Keep a fitness journal to note down your workouts, the weights you lift, and how you feel after each session. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Strength training can also be a social activity. Working out with friends or joining a fitness class can make your workouts more enjoyable and keep you accountable. Plus, it's always fun to have a workout buddy to share your progress with. Celebrate your milestones, whether it's lifting a heavier weight, completing a challenging workout, or simply sticking to your routine. Every achievement is worth celebrating. These small victories will keep you motivated and committed to your fitness journey. Remember, strength training is not just about physical strength. It's about building confidence, resilience, and a positive mindset. As you progress, you'll not only see changes in your body, but also in your attitude and outlook on life. Don't forget to take care of your mental health. Incorporate activities like meditation or yoga into your routine to help manage stress and improve your overall well-being. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Embrace the power of strength training and discover the best version of yourself. With dedication, consistency, and the right mindset, you can achieve your fitness goals and lead a healthier, happier life. Strength training, your weight loss ally. So, there you have it. We've debunked the myths, explored the science, and witnessed inspiring transformations. Strength training isn't just about building a better body. It's about unlocking a healthier, more empowered you. Remember, muscle is your metabolic engine. torching calories and boosting our metabolism long after the workout is done. It's about sculpting a lean, toned physique, not about getting bulky. Strength training is a journey. Start slow, focus on proper form, and gradually challenge yourself. The results will amaze you, not just on the scale, but in how you feel, stronger, more energized, and unstoppable. Embrace the journey, unleash your strength. Just as the scriptures teach us about inner strength and perseverance, strength training empowers us to overcome physical challenges and achieve our goals. It's about pushing beyond our perceived limits and discovering the incredible strength we possess. So, are you ready to embrace the power of strength training and unlock your weight loss potential? Join us on this exciting journey to a healthier, stronger you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more empowering content, and leave a comment below sharing your strength training goals or any questions you have. Let's get stronger together. Until next time.